Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to send Ton from a Telegram wallet to Binance. Alright, let's begin. First of all, if you have an available balance in Ton Beta, then tap on Ton Beta and a new menu will be displayed. Here, tap on Send and then tap on External Wallet. Now we just need to copy our Binance Ton wallet address. For that, open your Binance account and then tap on Wallets. After that, tap on Spot, then tap on Deposit and then search for Ton. Once you find it, tap on it and then choose the network as Toncoin. Now, copy the Toncoin wallet address and then go back to your Telegram wallet. Here, paste the Ton wallet address from Binance and then tap on Continue. Now, enter the amount of Ton you want to send. After that, tap on Continue and then complete the transaction. So that's basically how you can send Ton from a Telegram wallet to Binance. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.